Yung akala mo drive-drive lang kapag may sasakyan na. Yon, ganun dapat. Summer season is travel season kaya para walang aberya sa ating mga travel goals, magpa-maintenance muna tayo. Due for maintenance at change oil na tong si Montero. Nasulit naman na natin yung warranty sa kasa at since patapos na, sa labas na ako papagawa. Dito ko na dinala sa Petron Car Care Center dito sa Petron, Harrison, Baguio. Kumpara kasi sa typical na service bay o lube bay, itong Car Care Center one-stop shop na. They offer much more than just an oil change. Actually, dito talaga ako nagpapagawa dati nung mga dating sasakyan pa namin. Mga basic maintenance, change oil, brake cleaning, tire rotation. Pero nagulat ako ngayon dahil nga Car Care Center na siya, upgraded na rin ang mga services nila. Bukod sa change oil, they also now offer services gaya ng computerized wheel alignment, wheel balancing, under chassis and suspension work. May ATF dialysis machine na rin sila. For select Car Care Centers, they also offer car aircon services at may pa-free inspection pa sila. Kaya talagang one-stop shop na siya for all your car maintenance needs. Nga pala, kompleto rin sila sa oils and lubricants. Ito nga ang engine oil na gagamitin kay Montero. Petron Rev X 830. Parehas na parehas ang specs sa engine oil ng kasa, API CJ4, 5W30 at fully synthetic. Plus, may dynamic cleaning technology pa, iwas carbon at soot buildup at improved fuel economy. Pasok na nga and even exceeds the manufacturer's recommendation, mas affordable pa. Accommodating din ang mga crew, staff at certified mechanics nila. Ipinapaliwanag nila kung ano ang mga gagawin, tapos kung ano man ang makikita nila that needs attention or replacement, they give proper recommendations. Kaya kung talagang walang time at hindi ko na ma-DIY, dito ko na dadalhin tong Montero for maintenance. Total price pala ng change oil package kasama na yung 8 liters RevX RX 830 engine oil filter plus labor, 5,050 pesos. For the quality oil, labor at convenience, sulit na. Satisfied ako sa services nila. I'm sure meron ding malapit na Petron Car Care Center sa inyo kasi from what I heard, they already have 60 centers nationwide. Although hindi lahat ng Petron gas stations may Car Care Center, meron naman na yung mga stand-alone gaya ng Petron Car Care Center sa Urdaneta at Bayambang, Pangasinan. Kaya sa mga brand new car owners na graduate na rin sa warranty for quality services, mapa-basic maintenance o heavy PMS, plus quality and affordable oils and fluids, I recommend itong Petron Car Care Center. Ayan, tapos na. So far, nagustuhan ko rin performance itong si Montero dito sa bagong oil na RevX RX 830. Pansin ko parang mas responsive siya lalo sa mga akyatan dito sa Baguio. Kung nagbabalak din kayo bumiyahe o umakyat ng Baguio, make sure na long trip ready ang ating mga sasakyan. I-schedule nyo na rin ang inyong next oil change sa pinakamalapit na Petron Car Care Center. As always, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and follow for more.